31 says, find a fourth degree polynomial with real coefficients that has zeros.
Okay, so when they say a real coefficient that has zero, these are all zero. So they're giving us a solution and they want us to write a linear factor. And then when you have to multiply everything all up. So let me remind you a couple of things here. For number one, the real solutions are 1, -1, I, and negative I. When we have the solutions that has four solutions, what we do is to write it in linear equations, you have to write it into four different groups. So for the 1, when we put it in, these are all x minus the answers. So it's all x minus the answer. So if it's a -1, we put in -1. X minus a -1, it will be plus 1. X minus an I, so it's negative I. X minus I
is x plus
I. Okay. So what this is the linear coefficients, but we want it to write it into the fourth power. So in other words, they want you to FOIL everything out. So since we don't have enough times and this is a pre-cal level, let me quickly remind you on Algebra 2. A plus a B multiply A minus a B. When you FOIL it, it becomes I squared minus B squared. Okay, so use this as a shortcut instead of FOIL all those out down there. X minus I, x plus I. What is that if we FOIL it out?
X squared minus
1 times 1.
1.
1. Okay, so that group is done. Now let's FOIL the second group using that equation, a squared minus b squared.
Okay, so that makes it x squared
minus I squared. Ooh, I squared, my favorite number. What is I squared?
I squared is -1.
Good. So then another word is x squared minus a -1. This is a -1. So minus a -1, that gives us a
plus
1. So x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 1. So then again, we can also reuse that same equation. So what's x squared times x squared?
X to the fourth power.
X to the fourth power. -1 times 1 is -1. So, do we find a fourth power polynomial?
Yep.
The answer is
B.
B. Fourth degree polynomials. Good job, trainer.
Thank you.